welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanusree and I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and much more. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. And please do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. Honestly, I haven't, ever thought that I'll be making such kind of video on my channel because celebrity tutorials are very tedious to follow because I have followed quite a few celebrities for over the years, and their skincare, night time, morning time, whatever skincare they follow, it's very tedious, it's very expensive, and sometimes I didn't even find it practical. So but I always wanted to give it a shot, give it a try. So this is the first video of its kind on my channel. And Hailey Bieber is someone I really adore her, the way she looks, the way she takes care of herself, her skincare, her hair care, her gym regime, her diet and everything is very fascinating for me, to be honest. So since I was going out for a brunch today, I thought of giving a shot. So recently I came across this wavy hair tutorial by Hailey Bieber, and I really love it. Love it because it was short, sweet and very easy to follow. She has used a lot of products on her hair, which I'll be guiding you through this video. But honestly, it was very practical, and for someone who likes to do a lot of things with their hair, it's very easy to follow. And I'll also try to replicate the process, not the exact same way, and then I'll tell you guys whether it's a yes or a no, and whether it's practical for people like us to follow or not. So without much delay, let's just move straight to the video.
What's up, you guys? It's Hailey and I am back. I'm going to be doing a cool hair tutorial for you guys. A lot of you have been asking to see how I do my own hair, when I do my own hair, so check it out. Okay, so step one would be I spray a bit of volumizing spray into my wet hair before I blow dry it, and I really love this Way volumizing spray. It's the best, it smells amazing. Shout out to Jen Atkin. Next thing I'm gonna do is blow drying your hair, which I already did. I'm going to turn on my iron, fun Dyson iron that I also got from Jen. I'm going to take texturizing spray.
Okay, so the first step she's doing is she's using a volumizing spray. So since I don't have volumizing spray, I'll use this hair serum. This is the Live On hair serum. I usually don't use spray serum on my hair. I use that serum where you just pour it on your hand, just rub it and apply it on your hair. That way I find it very satisfying to use. So the only hair spray serum I have is of Live On, and I'll be using this only. And this is the first time ever I am trying to replicate this tutorial, so I hope it turns out well because I really have no idea how it will turn out to be. So just let's see how it goes. So she has applied every hair. So I'm applying it a little bit on my hair, and I'll spray here. So I'm spraying very little, not much, because I don't know, I just don't want my hair to be very sticky. The next step, she's saying she has blow dried her hair, which I actually did because I shampooed my hair and blow dried it as well. So there's no need of that step. I'm on to the next step.
Texturizing spray, and I'm gonna spray it in my hair all over. I like to do a little bit of texturizing spray before. I'm going to clip my hair up like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna start by taking it piece by piece, section by section.
So again, she has used a texturizing spray. So basically she has used two kind of sprays. One is volumizing and another is texturizing spray. Both are very different, and I'll suggest you people don't use too much chemical stuff on your hair. A good kind of hair serum, a spray serum, is good to begin with as per my opinion and as per my experience. Don't use too many chemical stuff before hairstyling and after hairstyling. So since I've already used that hair serum on my hair, I'm not gonna apply again another layer of hair serum. That will make my hair very sticky, which I really don't want. So I'll also tie my hair up, and I'll use this clip. So I've tied my hair, and now I have these two sections.
And with the iron, I just do this. I don't know how to explain what this motion is, kind of just a wave motion. The texture of my hair, especially when I'm like just showered and my hair's really, really clean, is it's kind of like slick. I have to sometimes add a bit more of like a texture spray or a hairspray as I'm doing my hair so that it has a little bit more of like a grip. I decided to go with this down wavy textured hair for you guys because this is usually just my go-to when I have the time to do it myself. If I was like going out for a dinner or like going out on date night, this is typically the hair that I'm going to do for an evening of fun.
I'll also do the same thing. Here I'm using this Philips straightener, and honestly this is a very good straightener. I really love it. It does wonder to my hair whenever I really want the sleek hair. It gives me that, so I'm very happy. So now I'm gonna take a section. So she starts like this, she's doing this, then this, then this. Oh my god, this is way too complicated than I thought. Let's see how it goes. Okay. So this is okay, cool. So this is how it looks like, and then she applies that texturizing spray on her hair. So I'll apply hair serum. This step you can actually follow because this serum will then help your hair to have that grip. So you don't really need that expensive kind of thing. Now taking another section and the same thing. So this is how it looks like, and this is my original texture. Honestly, I don't know whether it's because of my hair texture or not. I don't see much difference, but I mean, still will try in this section. Okay, here I can actually see the wave.
Be careful about like not squeezing the iron too tight because even in that piece you could see that like it.
What she does is she opens her this hair and then takes smaller sections from the crown area, tie it up and get this hair all out and apply the same thing. I mean, repeat that entire tutorial throughout her hair course. So I'll quickly do that. So
kind of like undone, lived in. To me, it's fine if it's not like these perfect like glossy waves. So if it wasn't this, it's usually something that's like pulled back, either like a slick back with like a low bun or like pulled up out of my face. I love a good like chip clip. Now for the final layer. I will go back over a couple pieces I've already done just to kind of like blend the top of my hair and blend the rest of it. So for the top layer of my hair, I don't start as high up with the iron because I know that it will cause it to dent. It looks crazy. So to finish it off, I will hit it one more time with the texturizing spray and kind of just rough it up, especially around my face. I add dry shampoo at the end because I hope that when I do my hair and then sleep on it, it'll still be fresh enough to wear again the next day. That is it. That is my wavy hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell.
I guess I'm done, and this is exactly how my hair looks right now. This is the final outcome of the tutorial, and I would say it's a big yes from my end. Even though I have textured wavy hair, but my wavy hair doesn't really stay wavy. After some time it becomes very frizzy and it looks all rough and unmanageable, but I think by this process, this entire step, your hair is actually wavy, and I guess this will stay in place even if I'm going out or during lunch or for a night out, I think the hair will be in place as it's supposed to be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll be waiting eagerly for you people to tell me in the comment section below whether you find this tutorial very easy and very intriguing. So if you liked what I made and what I showed in this video, so please do not forget to give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And so I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.